Hey Dragon fam, it's Patrick from Distracted Dragon Makes. On this channel we talk a lot about OpenGrid, organization in general, lots of cool projects, more coming up, so stay tuned. But today we're going to talk about the amazing Cleat wall. So Chris Burton at A Glimpse Inside sells these, and I had a whole set of them that he sent over for me, and I really appreciate it. So I installed these a couple years ago, and I love them. I think they are super useful, but I didn't know about OpenGrid at the time because, well, it hadn't been created. So I was thinking, instead of just building tool holders out of wood over and over again, I have millions of models on Maker's World that if I print in PETG or ABS, I can take advantage of. But where do you put OpenGrid on a Cleat wall? Well, so I sat down and decided to fix that problem. So you know how it goes. Cleat holder. So this one has the MultiConnect slots in it, so you can install it. It just slides right in here. And then, because one's never enough, we did two with the snaps. So these are just the individual snaps that hold the OpenGrid wall on. So voila, you have a Cleat. So what do you do with it? Well, now I can take any OpenGrid board and I can snap this in any direction I want. So, and now I can go ahead and just hang this where I want it. So if I want to add, say, a bin with some extra pieces in it, I can just snap that right in. Now I've got a place for screws. If I want to go ahead and put in this little screwdriver model that I found on Maker's World, I have all these linked, I can go ahead and just snap these on. So for the MultiConnect, we literally just snap in this to our tiles. These are directional snaps, so they give you a little bit more hold. Now we can just snap that in there. And then Daniel made these really awesome OpenGrid Gridfinity shelves. So now I can take any Gridfinity bin and set it on here. So these I will have out on Maker's World. I've also got a place to put my pliers, so I can just snap this in as well. Now, I did ABS for the holders. The rest is prototypes, so they're in PLA. But in North Carolina, it is hot as hell. Ask me how I know. So we want to go ahead and reprint those with ABS or PETG. So, but you can see, I think it came out great. It's really easy to use. You can move it anywhere. So I'll have these models out on Maker World. I'll have a list of links for all the pieces that I've used in the demo in the links. And let me know what you think. I went back and forth on whether I thought the MultiConnect or the snaps were more useful. Which do you think is better? Let me know in the comments. If you're actually using this, please take a picture and throw it into the Maker World listing or throw it over on Reddit and OpenGrid so that I can see them, because I love it when you guys are making cool stuff out of things I've created. If there is a need for longer, shorter, whatever, hit me up. Glad to remix them really quick and throw those out there too. So, but for right now, I'll just have the 4 channels up there, and that's it. So I hope you found this useful. I think this is going to be a game changer. The plan is to renovate the rest of the shop, which you don't want to see. And I'm going to use a lot of this because, like I said earlier, I can use all the OpenGrid connectors, pieces, all of the stuff out here and not have to go through and make my own custom holders every time. I think it's a win-win. So this is Patrick from Distracted Dragon Makes. This project is hatched. Let's go fly the next one. Go out and make something where it's cool. God, it's hot here.